Ciao a tutti. Hi everybody, this is your Italian teacher, Rossella Pescatori, and I'm here to guide you how to use first Canvas, second, how to find the syllabus, and then the activities that are in Canvas. So first of all, you need to go into our class. Our class, it is on Canvas. So you go to the link of El Camino College, that it is www.elcamino.edu, and then you click on Canvas, that is here. So you click on Canvas, and then you click here Canvas login page. Once you're there, you need to log in. So you see I'm already in, so I'm going out to show you how to do it. So here, so again, you click on Canvas, and then it come out your Canvas login. So here you need to put your email address, that it is El Camino College address, and then the password that you have for my ECC El Camino College password. So you sign in, and then you see the classes you are registered. So there are different communication. So you see courses, and here are the courses. So another thing I would like to let you know that it will be useful is if you go to your account, click on account, and here set up the thing you would like to be set up. Meaning that my communication mostly will be with Canvas, and this means that you receive emails to your email address. By default, the email address, it is El Camino College. So if you do not watch El Camino College address, please change the address, and you need to go here on account. So I might ask you also to sign up for a remind, so in this way you don't miss anything. So we go to classes. Actually, so I would like to show you a little bit about so what you're going to see in Canvas. So this is the Italian syllabus. So the Italian syllabus, where you find here, you see course syllabus, and then I'll show you later. So this is the opening page of your Canvas, where you can find everything is useful. For the syllabus, you find the material that is due, that is mandatory, and then we don't need to buy a book, but if you want to have a book, this is a good book, but it's mandatory to complete the module posted on Canvas. And then please check the student learning outcomes. This is the thing that you need to know in order to pass this class. And then there are classroom policies to check it out. The class format, I'm going to tell you right now how it's working. And then class participation, that you need to do the activities that are on Canvas, or participate to optional Zoom meetings. The Zoom meetings are optional, but if you do not participate, you need to post audio and video. So you need to find a way to do that. Otherwise, this class is not for you. And then, yeah, homework and take home exam. But let's go to our Canvas. So in this way, you see better where everything it is. So let's go to one of the class. Your one of the classes might be. I'm going with Italian one, but this is also for Italian too. So I click here. See, it's still unpublished. It's going to be published because this video you are going to find here. So what you're going to see an opening page where there are different buttons. So according to what you want to do, you click on the buttons. So if you want to have the Zoom meeting, you click here, Zoom. If you look for Italian resources and also open education book, you click here. And then I really recommend to use it. So you see there is this open education textbook, this interactive textbook, and then if you focus directly to the Italian verbs, you click here. So if you already know Spanish, I really recommend to go to this link here, and then there are more tutorials. So use the Italian resources. If you don't know how it works, Canvas, just click Canvas resources, and then here they're going to tell you how it works. Course syllabus, you click here, please read carefully. And then we have the class agenda. So the class agenda is telling you exactly when we have the deadlines for each module. So this could be a little bit confusing before you see two deadlines. One, it is a name due date, and the due date, it is not actually the real due date, but it's the due date when, if you do the activity, is safe for you to do the activity, meaning that you are going to receive a feedback and you can redo the activity until you get the best grade possible. If you do the activity by the last deadline, then you don't have a chance to redo the activity. And then you take the grade it happened. And this is an explanation. Please ask me if you didn't understand this, how it works. So what you do then? Then you click on the module you want to start. You start from module 1. You click here, and then what you find? You find a description of the module. You find a placement. What does it mean? It means that maybe some of you already know some Italian and wants to kind of go a little bit faster. So take the placement and I'm going to tell you what to study next. Placement is not mandatory, so you don't need to do it. If you don't do it, just start with lesson 1. So click on lesson 1 and then you do the activity. Okay, so you go on, you read, then you do next one, and then there is an activity. You need to watch a video here. If when you watch a video, you need to answer some questions that are on the video. So you see, this is a play pause it. So I give you points when you watch the video. And then you go on, you do the other activities that are here. For example, here there is another video, and here there is a video with me talking, and then there is a communication activity. For a communication activity, please refer to the rubric that it is here. Okay, so you see show rubric, and here they are telling how I evaluate this activity. So as you progress, you will understand what's going on. Okay, so going back to the syllabus, this is important information. The important information is that we do not have mandatory Zoom meeting, but we can have meetings. And then I'm available to you, depend on the class. And then during my office hour, we will have some information. So when we have the information, if it's important information, I'm going to record the Zoom meeting as office hour. And then I'm going to post the recording here on announcement. So here on announcement, you find some useful information. Okay, so here there will be also some I see registration or orientation. So the first office hour will do a orientation, and anybody will be want to know specific question, please be in my office hour. But then also I'm going to um, give tips for take home exam, for how to write a composition, how to perform something. Okay. Um, so I hope that you understood how to get in my class. So please read carefully the syllabus and then start doing the activities that are in module 1. And if you have any questions, I'm available to you. Please write me an email to find out another way to communicate with me. Emails for now is the best. Okay, bye.